Lishonile wena wengwenyama lehamba yodwa kuhle kwelilanga lebhodla kanye kunyakada umhlaba nathi ke talomuhla sikutholela dona bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te-SABC e-Auckland Park wemkelekile Ngwane.
We filed papers with the Constitutional Court, as you know. We have now today put a motion of no confidence on the President.
Inhlangano umkhonto wesizwe ithi sayifaka ishukumiso sekungamethembi mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa.
It's unfortunate that umkhonto wesizwe took a position to support Morocco's colonial occupation.
Lobeka ngimabhalane jikelele wenhlangano iMK Floyd Shivambu ugceke mengameli walenhlangano Jacob Zuma ngeluhambo lwakhe lwaseMorocco. Ibanyana Banyana ibambana ngetihluthu nele Nigeria ngensimbi yesithupha kumdlalo lowandvulela emancane wAFCON. Inhlangano ye-MK beyikhulumisana nebetindzaba eKapa lomuhla lapho itsinze khona tingoni letahlukene. Lenhlangano ikhala ngekuthi ayiwubona umsebenzi lo wendiwa ngulohulumende welibumbano wavelonke njengoba nesibalo salabo labangasebenzi solo sisetulu. Iphinze yagcizelela ukuthi ifake ishukumiso sekungamethembi mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa. Selileko Mkhwanazi na Ebra Babia basihlanganisele nangombiko.
Soswebwe MK Party Colin Makhubele uthi lolu phakelo temali lovisi lamengameli lwathula ngomengameli evikini lelengcile belungatsinzi tithi ngoncandi tebantu bakulela badla imbuya ngeluthi. Makhubele uthi kumele kwendiwe tindlo ngekuphuthuma lokufaka ekhathi kuvule amathuba emsebenzi nekulwisana nenkhohlakalo. Uphinze wangeda ngekuthi lesinqumo samengameli sekunika indvuna temaphoyisa senza umcuno likhefu lelikhethekile sikhombise kubugwala.
It indicates systematic control failures and mismanagement by the GNU, and they have failed to return the people's money back to the people in the form of tax cuts, gainful employment, meaningful social grants, and also what we find really disturbing is that this budget does not even address what was reported a couple of days ago. The traces of ARVs have been found in our drinking water.
Lenhlangano ithi ifake ishukumiso sekungamethembi mengameli Ramaphosa lapho ithemba ukuthi itawuthola kusekelwa njengoba ekhala ukuthi kuningi lokungahambi kahle kuleli. Ithi lokho kubonakala kule mibhikisho beyikhona umnotho londenga kubala kumbalwa nje. Ithi mengameli uphila emiseni we-DA nje bekumele ahlale ancenga yona uma ngabe afuna ukuthatha inqumo.
We filed papers with the Constitutional Court, as you know. We have now today put a motion of no confidence on the President for his failures, and chief among them failure to fire Mtunu and to protect the most vulnerable in our society.
Lenhlangano imile kule kuthi mengameli ashiye phansi esikhundleni sakhe.
Thank you very much.
Emakomiti labukete emaphoyisa netekutfutfukiswa kwemtsetfosisekelo ePhalamende atawethula umbiko wekuthi tikhungo kumele tibukane kanjani netinkinga tekuphepha kwelive kusasa. Lokhu kuta ngemva kwekuthi somlomo wePhalamende Thoko Didiza atshelela amakomiti lamabili kanye nelikomiti lelibukete bunhloli kuthi abukisise ngekushesha tiphimiselo letendiwe ngkhomishana wemaphoyisa waKwaZulu Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Lapha sola kungenelela kwetembangave emsebentini wemaphoyisa lobanzakanye emacala lasetulu. Evikini leliphelile lamakomiti athathe isinqumo sekuthi kusungule likomiti lesikhashana lelitawuphenya letinsolo.
LiPhalamende limangele ukutfola ukuthi kuphepha kwesive kusengcupheni. Lamakomiti athathe isinqumo sekusungula likomiti lelitawuphenya ngaletinsolo. Leli komiti ke litawusungulwa ngesiphakamiso seliphalamende.
We have given certain guidelines through this report. But the ad hoc committee itself will detail the exact terms of reference and can also request the relevant legal opinions for those terms of reference to be accurate.
We must not leave it to the speaker to determine the adequate time frame. What for me will be critical is that the work of the ad hoc committee needs to be concluded, assuming that we are going on recess now. The decision is being made tomorrow, and then the work starts on the 1st of September.
Firstly, an ad hoc committee is there because the general understanding is that the committees are busy with their work, they're general, but you want a specialization of sorts.
Leli komiti litawuthatha sinqumo ngelinani lemalungu ePhalamende latawuba yingcenye yaleli komiti lesikhashana nesikhathi lelitawusebenta ngaso.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ucela iqembu le-DA ukuthi liphasise imali lekumele tiye ematikweni nemthetho lotawuvumela lamatiko ukuthi abelwe imali esikhwameni seminyaka imali. Budlelwane emkhathini kwe-ANC ne-DA bube munye ukulandzela kungaboni ngasolinye ngekuphasiswa kweliphakelo imali kanye nekucoshwa kwelisekela lendvuna ye-DA. Lokhu-ke kuholele ekutheni i-DA iyale kuphasisa imali tematiko laholwa tindvuna letholakala ngenkhohlakalo njengaThembi Simelane naDokotela Nobuhle Nkabane.
Liqembu le-ANC lihlehlise umhlangano wesigungu lesetulo lapho khona likomiti libuke ukuchutshwa kwenhlelo taleli qembu bekufanele libuke uhulumende olubumbano wavelonke budlelwane bemfelandawonye ne-SACP kanye nesimo semnotho. Lamanye amalunga lesigungu lesetulo bekathi aqhuba umkhankaso ukuthi lesigungu asithathe isinyathelo sokuthi ikhishwe i-DA lohulumende olubumbano wavelonke. Lokhu kwenteka njengoba lamanye amalunga lesigungu abona i-DA njengaleyo lethikametako iphindze yendise kwelicembu leliphikisa kulohulumende ngekuthi ivotele kungaphasiswa kweliphakethe imali nekuhoxa kunkulumo mpendulwano yavelonke nekupambana nabengameli nakuta kumigomo emave emhlaba. Lamanye amalunga lesigungu aze avele imbono ukuthi kukhulunyiswa ne-EFF ekuvaleni isikhala se-DA.
The GNU is an issue that will debate on a separate day because we must look at this development very closely. Today we are awaiting President's response because we wrote a legal letter to him asking him to withdraw the appointment of Kachalia as acting minister because he's not allowed.
Ramaphosa wendela bito kumalunga ANC ePhalamende ukuthi angayithikameti i-DA njengoba yenda liphutha lelikhulu. Ngamva nje mengameli uthi i-DA kufanele ithathe yona isinqumo sekuthi iyaphuma kulohulumende nobe cha. Kuleli viki Ramaphosa ucoshe indlela yokufundela iphakeme Dr. Buhle Nkabane emitameni yokuthi i-DA ivotele umthetho wokwabiwa kwemali lengeniswe live ngekulingana. Kusesenjalo Malema yena uthi licembu lakhe angeke lisebenzisane nobe ngumuphi uhulumende lengabe kusesene DA.
Our stance is very clear. We can't go into coalition with the DA.
Ngaphambili i-DA yendela bito kumengameli Ramaphosa ukuthi acoshe Nkabane nendvuna enhlaliswa kwabantu Thembi Simelane nakungesinjalo angeke ikuvotele kuphasiswa kweliphakethe imali lematiko abo. Nkabane ucoshiwe kepha Simelane yena solo sesekhona kulohulumende.
Ngekuya ngemholi we-DA Gauteng Solly Msimanga, emabhizinisi lasenkhabeni yeJozi athwele emadima ngenxa yobugebengu lobuchubekako. Msimanga ucelela abasemagunyeni ukuthi basite amaphoyisa aseGauteng ngako konke lakudzingako. Kutato khona kulisana nebugebengu lobenta abantu bakuleli bangasayi enkhabeni yaleli dolobha.
I-DA itheleke enkabeni yeJozi kutobuka umonakalo bangabugebengu lobunibudlova lobuthekamete emabhizinisi. Msimanga ucela uhulumende walesifundza ngekungenti idaba tekusombulula inkinga yebugebengu kuleli dolobha.
Unfortunately, we have the premier that is just a PR guru who goes and says a whole lot, but when it comes to then action, you find that little is actually being done. There is more and more people that are getting hijacked in Gauteng. In fact, we have released stats that shows that more and more, what do you call it, kidnappings are now taking place in Gauteng.
Msimanga uvakashile titalat letimbalwa kuleli dolobha kanti uphindze wakhulumisana nabosomabhizinisi nemalunga emphakathi mayelana nobugebengu.
Isasiza ngoba isikhathi esiningi mhlawumbe uma ukuthi khona umuntu onginikeza inkinga ngapha ezantsi ngiyakhona ukuthi noma kuthiwa ngilibona lidlula ngiyakhona ukuthi ngilibize ngilicela ukuthi babazi nangu ubhuti uyangihlupha wenza kanjani akhona ukuthi angisize.
Msimanga usibata ukuqhubeka nekuqinisekisa ukuthi uhulumende walesifundza uyayicatulula lenkinga yebugebengu kuleli dolobha.
I-ANC eMpumalanga estatementeni sayo ivete ukuthi uphindze waniketwa abulunga bakhe Mandla Msibi lobeka ngumgcini mafa walenhlangano. Msibi wamiswa ngenyanga yaMabasa lomnyaka lophelile ngemva kwekutholakala nelicala loketama kuphatamisa umcimbi walenhlangano lobitwa ngeJanuary 8 statement eMbombela. Msibi wamiswa iminyaka lemithathu kwahociswa lemibili. Mabhalane walenhlangano kulesifundza Muzi Chirwa uqinisekise lo mbiko. Umhlelembisi weMayibuye consultation process Floyd Shivambu uvete tinhlelo takhe tekubonisana netakhamuti ngekusungula inhlangano lensha yetepolitiki. Shivambu uhambele eMpumalanga lapha ahlangene khona nebaholi benzabuko kanye netfundziswa letingasebenzi. Kanti uphinze wagceka luhambo lwamengameli walelicembu lemkhonto wesizwe lwaseMorocco.
Kuhlolwa sifiso semalungu emphakathi sekusungula lelinye licembu letepolitiki kuyaqhubeka ke kuboniswa ngeMayibuye ngemva kokuthi kuhlanganisive kute ukhipha sinqumo lesilandzelako. Baholi betenzabuko kanye nebantfu labasha labangasebenzi bebayingcenye yalo lihlelo Bushbuck Ridge.
An organization that is taking shape in the ground, but we do not want to rush that process. We want to speak to all South Africans before we formalize the formation of a political movement.
Bantfu labasha balamkele lolu hlelo loluholwa nguShivambu.
We hope that he can manage because he is from the poor village and he know how people are suffering. So it's been long time ANC doing nothing for people.
Umkhandlu wetenzabuko kaMalele utiqhelelanisile nalolu hlelo uthi lichuba ipolitiki.
Don't know what causes them to have that kind of many differences where I believe that they were supposed to have only two political parties.
Shivambu tsinzene luhambo lwamengameli weMK Jacob Zuma lwaseMorocco.
It's unfortunate that Mkhonto Wesizwe took a position to support Morocco's colonial occupation and settlement over Western Sahara because all liberation progressive forces all over the continent and all over the world have always supported the struggles of self-determination for the people of Western Sahara.
Lolu hlelo litawuphotfulwa ngolwesihlanu eMpumalanga.
Kuletinye ke nasibuye titolo. Batawubuyela enkantolo ngalesibili labasolwa ngekubulala DJ Sambodi. Wemgelekile mbukeli na uthanza ngena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Basolwa labane bavele kafushane inkantolo yamanje Alexandra ngetinsolo tekubulala Oupa Sefuka lo watiwa nga DJ Sambodi. Basolwa labathathu kulaba labane kusolwa ukuthi Tingabi. Kanzi lo yedwa kusolwa ukuthi nguye lo waqhamuka nelusu lekubulala Sefuka nanogadza wakhe. Sefuka wadutshulwa wabulawa eWoodmead enyakatho yeJozi ngenyanga yeLweti nga-2022.
Labasolwa baboshwe itolo ngemva kweluphenyo beluholwa abaphenyi bebugebengu lobuhleliwe eGauteng babambisene nemaphoyisa laphenya kubulawa kwabosopolitiki. Lokhulumela emaphoyisa Aklenda Mathe uthi isibhamu lesabulala njinela Ahmad Swart nga-2024 ngiso futhi lesibulele DJ Sambodi nga-2022.
I know that the same firearm that killed Ahmad Swart is the same firearm that killed DJ Sambodi and his two bodyguards. And we now know that the same suspects that were arrested in the Ahmad Swart case are also the same suspects that are arrested in DJ Sambodi.
Kusenjalo lokhulumela luphiko lwetekushushishwa kwemphakathi Phindi Mjonondwane uthi basolwa labane labasolwa ngekubulala Sefuka batawugcinwa eHosi Mampuru njengoba luphenyo luyaqhubeka.
Had 4 accused persons appearing in court, facing charges amongst others 3 counts of murder, 2 of possession of firearm and the other of possession of ammunition.
Komishana wemaphoyisa kuvelonke Fani Masemula ubonge umsebenzi lo wendiwe ngulamathimba ebaphenyi. Labasolwa babukene nelicala lekubulala nekwetama kubulala. Leli cala litawubuyela enkantolo ngalwesibili evikini lelitako.
Kusenjalo lilunga lemkhandlu wasodolobha lelibukete emigwaqo netekutfutha eJozi leliphindze libe lisekela lamengameli wePatriotic Alliance Kenny Kunene livumile ukuthi liyamati Katiso Molefe lo ngumsolwa wesine kulelicala lekubulawa kaDJ Sambodi. Kunene uthi bekangaphandle emntini waMolefe amele kubamba umhlangano naye ngesikhathi emaphoyisa asesha indlu yaMolefe eSandton Itolo. Kepha uphikile ukuthi unebudlalwane naMolefe uthi abasina bangani.
Yes, it is true that I was at the house of Mr. Molefe.
And what was the nature of the visit? Are you guys perhaps close friends?
No, we are not friends. I think if you look at my online newspaper, it hasn't been that active, and I decided to put together some young people that can then run with it, that are interested in the media space, and to resuscitate it, obviously, and in its own tradition, Africa News Global has always focused on exclusive stories. So they wanted to do an exclusive story, and Mr. Molefe was a person where there was an opportunity to do a story with him. Remember that he has not spoken publicly since his arrest and whilst he was on bail. And so I facilitated with somebody that I know that knows Mr. Molefe. And Mr. Molefe agreed to do the interview, and the meeting was facilitated.
Kunene uphinze watshela iSABC ukuthi lo mhlangano bowumayelana neliphephandzaba lakhe la online. Impilo yathishela loneminyaka lengema-40 nemfica eMpumalanga icangene ngemva kwekuthi litiko lasekhaya likhokhe certificate lesithi ushonile. Kusolakala ukuthi le certificate sikhishwe KwaZulu-Natal enyangeni letintathu letengcile. Lokhu ke kuholele ekutheni kuvalwe umholo wamadala amaphosa angasakhoni nekondla nemndeni wakhe.
Ithikametekile impilo yamaphoso longibabe bantwana labane maphoso longithishela sayongenwa waphuma amahhovisi lamanyindi kepha imangi yasonjulwa lenkinga yokukhishwa kwesitifiketi lesithi ushonile.
Shonile bekhiphe KwaZulu-Natal certificate yami Adams. Siden kude bangitsite ngako ngabuyela umva ngaya ku circuit office again ngila ngikhuluma khona ne circuit manager obita principal. Sesifuna kuvula icase emaphoyiseni kathosi le case ayivuleki le case.
Lenkinga lebukena amaphosa ithikameta nemndeni wakhe.
Ngiphatheke kakhulu emoyeni nangiva ukuthi baba kami kutholakala ukuthi bathi ushonile aphila because kube sekimatindo letiningi tasemsebentini kwavaleka amabhenki ukuthi abasakhona ukumholela.
Litiko letemfundo eMpumalanga lesilenkinga itawusonjululwa.
Kumanje sisebenzisana neHome Affairs nalo thisha ukuthi sikhona ukumnceda ukuthi akhona ukuthi acleareke. Into ezenzeka kuzomela ukuthi iHome Affairs bathathe ama fingerprints ayi national according to acleareke ku system. As soon as acleareke ku system si department sizokhona ukuthi simbhadale nale salary la ngayithola ngakusukela ngoApril.
Maphoso sitawuqhubeka nemsebenzi wakhe wekufundzisa nanoma bukena nalenkinga.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi ligcinile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Lirandi libita 17 rand 58 cents nalicathaniswa nelidola laseMelika. Pondo waseBrithani ubita 23 rand 72 cents. Li-euro libita 20 rand 60 cents. Lipula libe ngu1 rand 21 cents. Inkhomba yetabelo tonke JSE yehlile. Ligolide libita $3,426, li-ounce iplatinum ibita $1,439 li-ounce. Woyelo alongahlutwa ubita $68.29 umphongolo. Ibanyana Banyana ithola netulu nele Nigeria emdlalweni wema-semifinals eWAFCON ngensimbi yesithupha lomuhla. Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi athine emave ekhuthata licembu leBanyana Banyana letawudlala nele Nigeria nyalo entsambama. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Banyana ibe nemidlalo omuhle from ekuqaleni until sifika la kuma-semifinals ngiyacabanga ngina sport.
Icembu leBanyana Banyana ngilithemba njengoba nabo bazithemba. Bazongena emafinalini.
Sibafisela konke okuhle. Congratulations, siyazi ukuthi bazoza nayo icup na kanjani siyabathemba.
Siyazi umdlalo ngeke uzube lula ngoba eNigeria iyona enomlando omuhle kule ndebe yaseAfrika, kodwa ke nikhumbule ukuthi inina abavikeli balesi sicoco inini nigcina ukuwina. Qhubeka ngendlela eniwine ngayo ke kule yaminyaka siyayiqhenya ngani.
Angifisele kakhulu icembu leBanyana Banyana kwangasilingadlala kahle kakhulu. Libuye nesikhulu sivutha.
iBanyana Banyana itawubuya naso isikhulu sivutha. Ngiyayithemba iBanyana Banyana ngalendlela idlala ngayo. Badlali labo abathithembako kwanabo nabasephakathi enkundleni bayakhombisa ukuthi yini abayifunayo.
Hayi intokazi akithi sifisela nje okuhle kodwa okumhlophe ukuthi ngathi ziyanqoba ziye kuma-final ziphinde futhi ziyivikele le ndebe njengoba zingo-champion bayo.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC edethwe swakuphendvulela ngawo. Siphinde sixolise ke mbukeli ngetithombe tethu emidlalweni weBanyana Banyana. Diphela lapho ke lebe sikuphathele tona lomuhla dikhona ke telwimi lesizulu nakubumbana insimbi yesikhombisa. Nebalingani bethu besindebele bakhona kusasa nakugamanca insimbi yesihlanu. Ungaphuthelwa ke nesimo selitulu nabo Nkosi Buthelezi lobe kasithulela simo selitulu ngaphambilini. Nilale kahle.
Lishonile nebengosilenhle tangometlela tusitela hleke mathambo tatfala ukuthi ke nasibuka ngalapha ke enza intako KZN siyabona ukuthi amathuba edimvula tsanza kuba mahle ke lamuhla ebusuku njengoba sobona hle lapha kubo 60% njengoba ubona ke lapha nenza into khona ushona lapha enza into kwalavumisa uzoyoshona lapha eTulu kanti lithi nyenzawo lithembisa ukuthi ilitaba elibalele nje lingathi kusibisibekela etindzaweni lesekhathi ke nelive kana sichubeka futhi seqayiso lesisitfolako ke lamuhla ebusuku kubo be South African Weather Service ngiso ke sekuthi ke ngalapha kutabe kubalele konke kutabe kuhamba kahle kanti masibuka ngalapha enza into KwaZulu Natal kuthiwa ke kulinzeleke timvula letimatima ke esikhathini salamuhla ebusuku nakusasa futhi sisike khona lapho kanti ke nasesibuka ke kuma provinces siyabona ukuthi esifundeni saseGauteng litawuthanza kubanza ke lapha enzaweni takubo Springs ubuka lapha kubo Johannesburg lihleli kubo 6 liyophelela kubo 18 ubuka lapha kubo Pretoria nakhona batabe bayisike yinye ke kubo 6 nabo 18 lokushothi kutabe kubanza ke langeni lakusasa kanti mawuchubeka ubuka bo Carltonville nakhona lihleli kubo 17 singasho nje ukuthi sifundeni sonke salapha yana ke kwazi eGauteng kutabe kubanza kana sihlaba sokubuka eLimpopo siyabona bopulukhona nakhona sikuyabanza ubuka lapha enzaweni takubo Bilabila ukuthi kutabe kubanza ke lapha kubo Liphalale ubuka bo Zanini lidlalela kubo 17 lapha nakubo 11 nakubo 17 letonzawo lokushoko naye ukuthi kubanza kwalo ke lokho kanti sesifundeni sasempumalanga siyabona kubo Mbombela ukuthi hlawuthanza kuphola yoshona lapha kubo Sikhukhuza njengoba lidlalela ke kubo 23 nabo 20 kuto tonke letonzawo ubuka ngala kubo Malahleni lihleli kubo 6 ke nakubo Carolina likubo 14 lapha kusho ukuthi kutabe kubanza ke langela lamhla ebusuku nakusasa nje litawuphakama lapha kubo Sekhondazelo lophelela ke kubo 16 sesihlaba futhi siqhubekela esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal siyabona lapha kubo Mnambithi ukuthi nakhona kutabe kubanza ke kuyabanza lapha kenza intabo Maritzburg ubuka lapha ke kubo Kokstad nakhona kutabe kungisona leso kubo Thekwini litawuthanza kuphola phola ke nabo Potchefstroom ugudle nje lapho uyoshona lapha enza intabo Richards Bay uzongena lapha ke kubo Lundi nakhona ngisona leso kanti mabuka lena kubo KZN ubuka lapha kubo Lundi nakhona ke kutawuthanza kubanza elangeni lakusasa sihlabe siyongena eEastern Cape bo East London lithanza futhumala ke khona njengoba dlalela ke kubo 22 ubuka lapha nenza into kuboqonqe bokomani nakubomthatha lithanza kufuthumala ke nakhona njengoba dlalela kubo 21 kuto tonke letonza abo Gravin neyo buka bo Wilomo nakhona ke siyabona ukuthi lithanza kufuthumala esifundeni sase Eastern Cape kanti Western Cape khona siyabona ukuthi lapha nakubo Worcester bo 22 ubuka ke bo Cape Galass uyoshona lapha enzaweni into lapha kubo Cape Town kubo ushona lapha kubo Sutherland uyabona kuletonza ukuthi kutabe kubanza ke njengoba dlalela kubo 17 khona enkhabeni yasifundza kubo Linesburg khona litawuthanza kufuthumala njengoba liyophelela ke kubo 21 sihlabe siyongena esifundeni sase Northern Cape siyabona bo Carnarvon ubuka bo Appington tawuthanza kushisa letonzawo noko ke litawuthanza kuphola bo Kurumani nabo Khimbali njengoba silibona ikhona ledlalela kubo 20 na kubo 19 sihlabe siyongena ke lapha nesifundeni sase Free State siyabona nakhona ukuthi tawuthanza kubanza nje cishe esifundeni sonke njengoba sibona bo Fixburg lodlalela kubo 15 lapha kubo Webna nakhona lophelela khona ke kubo 15 kanti mawubuka lapha kubo Northwest siyabona nje isifundazwe sakhona nakhona ke litabe libanza esikhathini sakusasa ninde bonke silenhle bekumnanzi sinani